coming home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
The only reason I came to New York is to play music. I wouldn't be here otherwise, I think. I mean, it's a great city, but there are many great cities and there are many great places to be. But as far as what I do and what I want to be doing, I think that this is probably the best place to be doing it. My personal expectation here in this city is that it's a place where you learn to survive. You know, it doesn't really give you much of a choice but to figure out how you're going to be here, if you're going to be here at all. There's plenty of places where you can go and you can scrape by for a little while, and you know, you can scrape by for the rest of your life and raise a family there. It's an option here as well, but it seems like it's a little bit more difficult to do. You have to be willing to immerse yourself wholly in it or not at all, because it takes everything to make it, no matter what you're trying to do.
Living's hard on a body. Oh, I've heard some say it's a burden to bear. But if I had my way, well, I'm lonely, lost, but people, when I end all my days, nobody will not bother me. Only dancing will remain. Ooh, ooh, your friend will tell you he's never been better. Ooh, 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 and then cry on your shoulders. The world is made of stone and fire will not burn.